Christmas decorating themes. And how to pick just one because they're all great. Hello, my little cranberries! Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. We're going to talk about how to choose a Christmas decor theme. Because I often mention that one of the ways to make your Christmas look more stylized and more personal is to pick a theme. But like, how? Because they're all magical and wonderful and beautiful and excellent and inspiring. And hi, I'm Kim, and this is Very Merry Kim, because I'm very merry, and I'm also Kim. I don't think there's anything else for me to say. Other than I love Christmas trees, so we talk about them a lot. Double check that you're subscribed. Oh, and maybe sign up for my email list while you're subscribing down there. Sparkle Mail has some good stuff. Let's get on with making your life more beautiful. How to choose a Christmas decorating theme. I know, it's very overwhelming. I got steps. Just as a quick preface, nobody says you have to decorate with a theme. If you like to hodgepodge it, if you like to use all your nostalgic, homemade, anything and everything, which I do in my way, every Christmas is beautiful. All of them. But if decorating with a Christmas theme is just not for you, please exit this video. But if you want to, here's how you do it. Step one is to know what you hate. That sounds like, what? Stay with me for a second. You need to decide what to veto so you can narrow the playing field of choices. Why have a coastal beach themed Christmas tree if you're afraid of the ocean? That's an extreme example, but I think you kind of get my point. Go for a scroll on Pinterest, and when you're looking at Christmas decorations and stuff, decide what you just really don't like. If it makes you go, that's an indicator. Gagging is also a sign. I'll give you a better example. In my opinion, and please don't burn me at stake for this, I will probably never have a farmhouse Christmas decorating theme. Mainly because I lived on an actual farm and I just didn't really like it. Chickens, among other things. So that theme is just vetoed for me. Learn what you hate, learn what you don't like, learn what is just a no, quick and easy, and have that identified so that you can move on to what you do like. Next is to decide what colors you love. I love all the colors of the rainbow. But pick some, because that's a lot of colors. Again, this is just to kind of narrow things down and give you some direction. If you love red and you love buffalo check, you may want to go that direction and not the black and white buffalo check direction. Once again, go for a scroll. Look at pictures, look at blogs, look at Pinterest. See what makes you go, ooh. Just search through different Christmassy colors. Search red Christmas decorations, red Christmas decor, red home decor, green, blue, pink, orange, silver and gold. See what just gives you the good feelings. What color makes you go, love. A lot of times we just know our favorite color and that's the direction we want to go, and there is not one thing wrong with that. For me, it's green. I love green. Green is my favorite color. Total Slytherin. When I'm looking for Christmas decor and themes I may want to do, if there's something I can do in green, I'm gonna lean in that direction. What colors make you happy? And go in the decor themes that those colors are in. And just like before, make sure you know which colors make you go and steer clear. Now, very honestly, you can pick a color palette, color combo and call it a day. If you want a Christmas decor theme, that's as far as you need to go, is just picking a palette. I'm going to have a green and silver Christmas. That's it, that's your theme. That's it, it's all right there, you're done. It's the easiest way to go with a theme. It's the most versatile because you can pick colors and kind of switch up the theme in other elements of your Christmas design as the years go on. Picking a color combo is just the easiest way to develop a Christmas style. And if you do a color, you're not sort of locked in to a certain Christmas aesthetic. So if you like the woodland, enchanted woodland Christmas theme, but you're not sure you're going to want a woodland theme next year, go with greens and cranberries as your color palette, and this year get some woodlandy Christmas elements, but then next year you could go for like the rustic glam, which greens and cranberries still go with. You could still keep a lot of your same things so you're not just busting and breaking and blowing up your bank account every year Christmas comes around. It comes around every year. Why would you say it that way? You can just find your favorite colors and roll with it, and that can be your style. Black and white, saturated jewel tones, pastels, white and silver and very bright. Keep it simple. Or maybe you just really love one color and you go Christmas monochromatic, blue, everywhere. You can do different shades of one color. So you have dark blues and sapphires, and then you have frosty icy blues and baby blues, and it's all gonna go because it's all monochromatic blue and beautiful. It really can be that simple, and it looks amazing. Along the same vein of picking a color is to pick like a favorite thing about Christmas. Think of the Christmas elements and the Christmas things and items and characters and Christmas stuff. Gingerbread men, Santa, elves, reindeer, the Grinch, snowmans, Frosty, mistletoe, holly berries, cranberry stuff, teddy bears, candy, toys, gnomes. Gnomes are huge right now and adorable. Nativities and manger scenes. Pick one Christmas thing that you just really, really love, like your favorite thing about Christmas, and base your decor on that. Be like, I have a Grinch Christmas. Greens and reds and the Grinch. Like, there's a Christmas theme. Pick a certain something and that can be your style. Cookies, hot chocolate, stars, angels, bells, any Christmassy thing or thing you can make a Christmassy thing or thing you love, and that can be your Christmas decor. The one thing that you love, you just deck your house out with it. Disney stuff, nerdy geek culture type stuff, deer, owls, any animal. Pick an animal, llamas. You can also take your favorite Christmassy color and your favorite Christmassy stuff thing, put them together, and that is your Christmas decor theme. I like red and I like gnomes. Red gnomes, Christmas theme. It really doesn't have to be that complicated. The hardest part is just picking one, but we're gonna talk about that later too. But if you're wanting more of a style or more of a specific themed theme, the final step you can take is to just start exploring individual specific themes. Go onto Pinterest or Google and you start looking at pictures and you start seeing what you like. Make a list of all of the Christmassy themes you can think of. Google Christmas decorating decor themes and you'll get blog post after blog post of the Christmas trends of 2020. And you can start there and just look at the themes there. Go down some rabbit holes, look at some themes, look at some decor, aesthetics and styles. Just get curious and wonder as you wander the interwebs for Christmas decorations. I wonder as I wonder about my Christmas decorating theme. You could also do this in a store, the old school way. Instead of going for a scroll, you can go for a stroll. If you've got an at-home store near you, that's where it's at. Walk through there, they have aisle after aisle that are just broken down into Christmas decorating themes. Wander through the Walmart Christmas section, go to the craft store and see what's cute. See what's new and what's hot. You can see what's fun, you can see what's cute, you can see what tickles your fancy. Be curious and see what makes you happy and what you like. Okay, I have a list of Christmas themes you can start searching to get you started. In no particular order, farmhouse, rustic glam, glitz and glam, pastels, Candyland, Santa's Workshop, the Grinch, woodland, boho, minimalism, vintage, classic Christmas, winter wonderland, peacock, jewel tones, a colorful Christmas, gnomes, peppermint, gingerbread, coastal, beachy, under the sea, whimsical, fun, Snow White Christmas, black and white Christmas, princess, horror, poinsettias, North Pole, Arabian, Middle Eastern, that is up and coming, nativity, manger scenes, teddy bears, puppies, any animal, just pick any animal you like, unicorns, mermaids, fairies, cabin, elegant, the Nutcracker, ballet, any hobby. You can make a whole Christmas theme out of hobbies and stuff. Sledding, skiing, ice skating, super modern. You could also pick a movie or a song and base your decorations around that. Do all your decorations on Home Alone stuff. There's stuff in stores and online everywhere for every Christmas movie. Make it a Die Hard Christmas. That would actually be amazing. Christmas movies are a great way to start your decorations because you really can decorate your whole house based on a Christmas movie theme. You can also do the same with songs. There's a lot of things with song lyrics on them. If you see something that you like and you know what color is your favorite because you've already thought about that, you can get that theme in with that color and then you have a Christmas. Be curious and wander about the internet or through stores and see what Christmas themes are there and what you like. See what has your you-ness. for you and pick a theme. But do the first couple things first. Decide what you definitely don't want and decide the individual elements that you do like, especially with color, because it's gonna make narrowing it down that much easier. Okay, like I gotta ask because I brought it up. What is your favorite Christmas movie? Like, you can tell me. I wanna know everybody's favorite Christmas movie. Mine's Meet Me in St. Louis, which I know is only half a Christmas movie, but I'm counting it and it's my favorite Christmas movie. Very close second is White Christmas. I wanna know your favorite Christmas movie in the comments, please, please, please. 2 kind of bonus tips for picking a Christmas decorating theme. The first bonus tip is to maybe choose a Christmas color that's a Christmas neutral. By Christmas neutral, I mean silver, gold, or white. Those are like the colors that go with all the other colors. So if you pick one of those, it's gonna make your decorating and your shopping a little easier. If you see something that you like, but it's not in the red that you've picked, you can get something in a Christmas neutral a lot easier. So like, for example, let's say you like the woodland Christmas theme, also really, really love the color red. Little woodland creatures aren't bright red. They're just not. If you have a Christmas neutral, like let's say gold, you can find so many things that are gold. Everything Christmassy usually comes silver, gold, or white. So if you pick one of those, you can find the things that go with your theme but aren't necessarily your color a lot easier. And it'll help give it some more visual interest because you'll have dimension with different colors. My second bonus tip is if you are having trouble picking just one theme. I've been there. I'm there right now. Like right now. I've got a couple options for you. The first possible option for you is to decorate each room in your house with a different theme. And they don't necessarily have to go together. Your living room can be like glitz and glam and fancy elegant, and then your dining room can be like Candyland and like cute and peppermint, and then your bathroom can be like the Grinch. There are no rules for this. Consider doing a different decor theme in each room. The second option I have for you is to decorate more than one Christmas tree. If you can't decorate every room in your house, maybe you live with Scrooge, opt for decorating more than one Christmas tree in different themes. If you do a Christmas tree in the living room and a Christmas tree in the dining room, bedroom, guest room, I don't know where you put your trees. One can be a rustic glam Christmas tree and the other one can be like a Santa's workshop thing. The people you live with are like, please don't do the entire house. I know some of those people. Find a spot in your house where you can put a second tree or a third tree and do different themes per tree, and that way you're not spending a ton of money on like 5 different themes every year. That's what I do. But I do like, I think it's gonna be 6 trees this year. I'm on a journey to decorate 100 Christmas trees though, so I'd love to tell you not to follow my example, but we know I'm not gonna do that. The bottom line with this whole how to pick a Christmas decorating theme, know what you love, know what you don't love, browse, 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 curious rabbit holes, look around, make it yours. Decorate with what speaks to you, what makes you happy, what gives you the happy Christmas magic feeling. The Christmas spirit will never lie to you. Trust it. And have fun and enjoy it. Before I send you off to the internet to find that Christmas magic, I need to let you know about Sparkle Mail. Sparkle Mail is my weekly newsletter. Quick tips and trees for inspiration. It's fun and there's glitter. I'm having a great time writing them out and I really like sending stuff to you. Sign up in the description down below. Sparkle Mail. To hear about the Christmas theme trends for 2020, you can click or tap right here. For some awesome Christmas music, you've actually heard it in this video, you can use the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I'm off to spread more Christmas cheer, so until we meet again, sparkle on.